Hi guys, Alla Peters. In this video I would like to inspire you to remove all the indicators from your charts and to start paying attention to pure price. In years and years of teaching, which I've been doing for the last 9 years, I witnessed time and time again how addicted people are to indicators because everyone brainwashed that if you have an indicator it is easy to make money. In fact, it cannot be more opposite. Pure price tells you everything you need to know, and this is what I recognize in '07. Take a look. On the right, S&P 1-minute chart. On the left, one of the top stocks on the planet. Charts look identical. Price action looks exactly the same. Except this is 1-minute chart, and this is Apple Daily. Few more gaps on Apple Daily than on 1-minute chart. 1-minute chart has a lot more noise than Apple does. And if I do this, if I bring up another chart, what chart is this? No one will ever know. It looks just like Apple on the left, and it looks just like 1-minute chart before. In fact, this is pound dollar. This was my discovery in '07. Every single instrument looks exactly the same. So why in the world block your vision? Why not master this? When pure price is very, very simple, you'll be amazed that pound weekly, Apple daily, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-minute chart, they all look the same. Not one chart in front of me has an indicator. No indicator needed. What needed is paying attention to pure price. It's extremely liberating as instantly you see where is strength, where is weakness. And every single day it becomes better and better to identify when to stay out of the markets, when to become interested in the markets, and what is the most important formula remains. Buy at support, which is exactly the reason pound rallying, because pound came to support from 2017. Horrific news in Britain doesn't mean a thing. How many points is pound up? Almost 500 points, because it reached crucial support. Brexit, schmexit, no exit or yes exit doesn't mean a thing. Fibonacci support means everything. Here's Apple. This is Apple in the last few months. Do you remember why Apple sold off? There is no surprise. This is how simple price is. Bullish rally overextended, reached its exhaustion. Not the place to buy, the place to exit. And if you are surprised, why in the world is Apple finding bullish pullback? That's because Apple reached crucial Fibonacci support. And this is what course is all about. Basics like this. This is what we start with every day, every time. And this is what every single trader in the course learns. How to trade this. And if you understand this, you can trade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11. You can trade monthly, daily, weekly, because you see very, very clearly. Market does exact same thing. Starts with power, gives you counter trend wave. Do not touch this. This is junky bullish move. Do not trade against the trend. Understand where to monitor for your point of entry. And when price comes to key support, do not short. Expect powerful pullback. And if I will bring up any chart on S&P, such as 7, one of the favorite charts, no one will be surprised why price keeps finding this support. Do not short. Just like on Apple, buyers keep stepping in time and time again. Ranging markets in a play, not the place to short. We've been here the entire day. But if I expand this price action, what would you see? This chart looks exactly the same as Apple. To the downside, price stages the impulse. Do not touch this. Counter trend move. Ignore wave 2. Pay attention to wave 3, the most important part of the market. And when price comes to crucial support, do not short. Those are the basic rules, no matter what you trade. No matter if it's euro, if it's pound, if it's yen, if it's US dollar, it's all the same. If it's Apple, it's Amazon, it's all the same. Only difference, risk management and trader's psychology. The events on oil today in the trading room were no surprise. Oil skyrocketed hundreds of points. Why? This is reversal zone, not the place to short. Oil came out with the worst bearish news in years. The worst bearish news in years, and oil skyrocketed. However, when it came to key Fibonacci resistance, this is not the place to buy. And this is where oil been frozen for the last 3 hours. So if you master price action and if you apply Fibonacci tools with key rules that you master in the course, the sky is the limit. You're not shorting oil because of bearish news. If oil at key support, do not short. If oil at key resistance, do not buy. Rules are met, take a trade. Every single day in the course we discuss how essential and crucial it is to identify what you want to trade. Every single day in the course I work with option traders, stock traders, day traders, futures traders, forex traders. Those who become successful because they identified what's appropriate for their psychology, what they should trade. Pablo, complete beginner trader, holding the bar very, very high for everyone. When he came to the course, he never pushed the button on his computer. Constantly he's sending me reminders of how much he loves day trading. And you can listen to Pablo on the testimonial section, where multiple other students say completely different things. Pablo loves to day trade, and every single day he becomes better. Tom tried day trading, it did not work for him. Brad been struggling for years, and right now he loves day trading, but he can also position trade options. Every single one of these traders, different circumstances, different account size, different psychology. They're attracted to different instruments. And once you identify that, only then you are on your way to success. So please review the information on the website under courses. Identify what course is appropriate for you. And if you identified what kind of trader you are, I look forward to working with you. Any questions? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. And if you're ready to get rid of indicators and pay attention to this, doesn't matter if it's Apple, doesn't matter if it's S&P, doesn't matter what you trade, it all looks the same. I look forward working with you.